Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got a new wholesaler with all sorts of new stuff. So we're going to check out what's in these boxes, find out is it good quality or not. It's a new wholesaler I'm trying out called United Pacific. And so we're going to see what kind of stuff we have, and all these things will be on Hooked on Pickin.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, so I've got a bunch of different items. If you look right here, this is their name, United Pacific Distributors. Now, I live in the Midwest, and a lot of people are concerned about shipping far distances. I have not found that to be a huge major issue unless you're shipping something like freight, like huge pallets of things. But this is from California, and I got pretty decent shipping. So we're going to find out what's inside all the boxes. So we'll just start with some of the little ones here and see what are we going to make available on Hooked on Pickin. Stay tuned to the end. I'd like to tell you what the prices are so that you can be prepared if you want to buy stuff from Hooked on Pickin. Looks like they've got some advertisements. Oh, I think I know what this one is. So I picked up some of these. Baby Yoda, the Mandalorian. So these are kind of like preschool size backpacks. Really, really cute ones. Not a lot to them, but perfect for little kids. Or, yeah, they are Disney. And the other thing too is this actually will stretch out to be worn by an adult. So if an adult wants to, like some girls that are into the Mandalorian, love Baby Yoda or whatever, this would be a good purse size, because I know they have the backpack purses and stuff. So it does have a little bit of sparkle to it. I don't know if that's coming across on the camera, but good picture of Baby Yoda, Disney Baby Yoda. And part of the reason we ordered these was because we wanted Disney. I think that's all that's in this box. Yep, it's all Star Wars, The Mandalorian, Baby Yoda backpacks, brand new condition. So we will definitely get a price for that towards the end of the video. So stay tuned so you can find that out. I love Baby Yoda. All right. I just like watching Baby Yoda YouTube clips of all the cutest moments. It's my favorite. All right, let's find out what's in this box here. All right, what else are we going to put on the store? I don't remember what this is. Oh, these are bath bombs. Perfect for Valentine's Day. These are, okay, they are shaped like a Hershey's Kiss, but they don't smell like chocolate. These are actually coconut cream bath bombs. And I believe we got all the same flavor, just because, I mean, thinking about a chocolate flavored bath bomb, maybe not. You don't really want to eat your bath water, but coconut cream is a normal bath scent. And so that's why we went with these, but that's all that's in here. I think that's the only scent we got was the coconut cream.
Good idea before Valentine's.
Yeah. So we're going to put these at a pretty reasonable price, I know. I think these are all coconut cream as well. Yes. So coconut is a pretty popular scent when it comes to bath scents. Yeah, they're all coconut cream. So we have a bunch of those. How fun is that? And I love the little minty green color of those.
Don't eat them.
Don't eat them. They are a bath bomb. They may move along your digestion if you choose to eat them, but I would suggest avoiding that. So this says Dove Intensive Care Cream. I don't remember.
I bet you it's Dove Intensive Care.
You think it is? It is. I forgot that we had gotten this. Hold on, let me tip it over here. They're tightly in the box. So these are a hand cream. Sure I get it open without totally destroying it. So these are Dove Cream Dove Cream Intensive Care. So they're little kind of very, very intense lotions. And so we'll be selling these as well.
Nice.
Yeah, they're in a really nice case. I think they just said...
Except for like if you've burnt yourself? Or...
No, it's just like a major hydrating cream. And see, it's still sealed. Mm-hmm. So like if you really struggle with dry hands, this is better than just the traditional tube lotions, because they're less oily and they're a little bit more nourishing for your skin. So
nice.
Good time of the year to have that. Hand cream is always good to have around the winter time because heaters are running and it dehydrates your skin.
Washing your hands all the time.
Washing your hands all the time, definitely. All right, so what is in this one? This box feels pretty light. Oh, yes. These are LOL, basically best friend necklaces and hair bows. It's an accessory set. It comes with bracelets, bows, and a hidden surprise. And in this little silver thing, you can see it a little bit better in this package. Little hidden surprise in there. So LOL is very popular. So we're going to find out what's a reasonable price for these and then put them on Hooked on Pickin as a fun thing. And we're needing some more toy items. So the backpack, the LOL, that's going to be great items. And then, of course, the fun things for the adults, which is like the Hershey's Kisses bath bombs and things like that. Let's see what else we're going to put on the store. I love unboxing. It's like Christmas. Now, Paul does a lot of the ordering, so a lot of this is actually totally a surprise for me. So he's a good person to order. All right, what are these? These are mold and play 3D figure makers. So they've got different colors and shapes and like little molds, almost like cookie cutters, but it's for a mold. So it includes 2 3D character molds, 2 dough cutter molds, 1 sculpting knife, and 2 2-ounce softy dough colors, and 3 1-ounce softy dough colors.
This is like Play-Doh, but it's the crazy art version of it.
Yep, mold and play 3D figure maker. So you can make Minnie and Daisy. How fun is that?
That's a nice box.
It is.
Nice size, too.
Yep, this is another Disney item that we wanted to do. So fun. All right, so we've got that. Bigger boxes. What's in the bigger boxes? There's one item I'm super excited about that I'm really hoping is in one of these. Oh, this was really cool when we looked this up. So this is Disney Princess stickers, and we got them at a really good price, and so we don't expect to be charging a lot for these. I think that's all. Yeah, that's everything in this box. So it's rolls of 9 different stickers, and it just has tons, over 200 stickers inside. So tons of different stickers. You're looking at, you've got Little Mermaid, Beauty and the Beast, Tangled from Rapunzel from Tangled. Then you've got Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty. No, not Sleeping Beauty. Belle. Thank you. So yeah, lots of princess stickers. I think that's all that we got in here. I don't think we got any other things. So that's that. And then we have one more box, which is hopefully the thing I'm hoping it is. These all recently got delivered, so it is possible that they could have been delivered in a different shipment, the other thing that I'm looking and waiting on. But we'll see if it's here. Oh no, this is the thing I wanted. Are you guys excited? These are fantastic. I was so excited when I found these. Look at these. These are full-size backpacks. Baby Yoda, baby Yoda. I love Baby Yoda. Can you tell? I just got into watching The Mandalorian. It's so much fun. So he's a plushie and a backpack. So he has this little compartment in the back where you can put all sorts of things inside. So it's a pillow and a backpack all in one, and it looks just like Baby Yoda. So, and it's a nice, good size. I mean, it's perfect for adults even. See? Cute little Baby Yoda backpack. Aren't these fantastic? So these would be great. You got kids with birthday parties coming up, birthday present, or giving a birthday present. These would be fantastic ideas. And so, or just a fun pillow, you know, that has extra straps on it, so you can take it along for sleepovers and all sorts of stuff. Walk through amusement parks, walk through the grocery store, keep their extra toys in there, you know, all sorts of stuff. And for girls, you know, throw your makeup in there, throw your wallet in there, all sorts of fun stuff. So we have all of these things that are going to go on the store. We're going to price them, let you know how much they're going to cost, and you can find every single one on hookedonpickin.com. All right, we've got all the fun prices for all our new fun items we're sticking on the store. So this fun big backpack, we're only going to charge $14.99 for, so you can find that on the store. Then we have the Disney Princess 9-roll pack of stickers for $5.99. We also have some Mandalorian Star Wars stickers still en route. same price as what we're going to charge. So you can check those out as well. This Dove Intensive Care Cream, $2.99 is all we're going to charge for that. It's always going to be brand new. Then the Star Wars Mandalorian child-size backpack, or just mini backpack is what I call it, $9.99 on the store. Then we have the LOL Best Friends. It's got 2 bracelets and some bows and a hidden surprise figure in every single one, $4.99 for that. The Bath Bomb, Hershey's Kiss Coconut Bath Bomb, is $4.99 for that. And then the Disney Junior Mini Mold and Play 3D Figure Maker is going to be $7.99 on the store. So if you guys want that stuff, go ahead and check it out at hookedonpickin.com. And aren't you excited about all the fun new things we're putting on the store? I love this new wholesaler. It's going to be amazing. So hopefully it was fun to watch me unbox all of those huge boxes, and be on the lookout. We're also going to have some Mandalorian stickers on there. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business.
Hopefully you go to Hooked on Pickin' and you love everything you find. If you buy more than $100 on the store, you get free shipping inside the continental United States. International buyers, we do also ship to you, so you can peruse the store as well. Hey, don't forget, we also have these awesome jewelry bags. It's over $100 valued from me of jewelry, and a lot of times it's more than the valuation that I give it. I usually go a little bit low on the valuation, but you're going to get more than $100 worth of jewelry in each one of the bags that you buy, and they're only $40. So check those out as well. They're really, really amazing, as well as many other things available on hookedonpickin.com. And if you love this video and all the cool stuff we're putting on the store, give me a thumbs up.